good afternoon everyone. My name is John Camilo Avila and today I'll be showing you the solution or the formula in order to get the 1 standard deviation, the 2 standard deviation, and the 3 standard deviation. So, what is this formula exactly? So, the formula is x is greater than mean minus standard deviation and less than mean plus standard deviation. So let me repeat. X is greater than mean minus standard deviation and less than mean plus standard deviation. So how does this formula actually work? So let me show you. So we have an example here. We only need the standard deviation and the mean to get the first standard deviation. So first is the example is 20. So our mean is 20. So let's put 20. And our standard deviation is 2. So let's put 2. Let's follow this formula. So this negative or this minus part of the formula actually targets our lower boundary. So you might be wondering anong gitawag ni nako siya lower boundary. So gitawag ko na siya lower boundary kay dire ang pinakagamay or mga lowest score. And meanwhile, if positive or plus siya, na-target siya sa atong upper boundary nga dire ang mga nasa taas. So as you can see, ato na siya pwede na siya isagol or disagol. So what I mean is, if mukuha ta sa atong standard deviation, mind you, so ang kaning gi-target is ang lower boundary. So that means diri ta nag-target kay minus. And if diri nag-target ta sa upper boundary, so diri atong gi-target. So since atong giuna ang atong minus, ang atong gi-target is kani nga first standard deviation or 1 standard deviation. So in order to get this standard deviation is we must subtract the mean and the standard deviation. So 20 minus 2 is 18 and we got 18, so we need to put it in our first standard deviation or 1 standard deviation. So next is the upper boundary. So dire na siya. And this is our first upper boundary. So we only need to substitute in everything that is needed. So since mean is 20 plus standard deviation which is 2, so we must put 2. So 20 plus 2 equals 22. So now we have our 1 standard deviation in the upper boundary. So butanin na to siya 22. So let's move on to the second variant, which is x is greater than mean minus 2 standard deviation and less than mean plus 2 standard deviation. So nganong na 2? Maybe asking nganong na 2. So pareho ni siya in ani but in a different way. So ato na siyang i-substitute na kani lower boundary and this is the upper boundary. Sorry for the inconvenience. So atong nakuan is ang lower boundary. So atong kuan ang lower boundary and the upper boundary. So ato gyapon na siyang i-separate just like before sa ato ang first standard deviation. So let's just substitute. So mean is still 20. So let's put 20 minus now we must understand na ang kani siya kay na siya number nga tapad. So unsaon man nato siya? So ato ning isud ang ato ang standard deviation sa open and close parenthesis in order to multiply both sides. So ato siyang ikuan multiply, so 20 minus 2 open close parenthesis sa 2, which is equals to 16. So 2 times 2, which is 4. 4 minus 20 is 16. So 16. Now we have the second lower boundary or the second standard deviation. So mo na ni 16. And now atong i-target ang upper boundary, which is still pareho na sila mga formula. So ang ato na lang i-kuan is substitute. So 20 plus 2 close and open parenthesis sa 2 kay mo man itong standard deviation equals to 24. So since plus man siya, so ato ang kuhaon sa ato ang upper boundary. So ibutan nato siya sa atong upper boundary. And last but not the least, ang atong third and final standard deviation, which is ang third standard deviation. So ang kani siya, pareho rin siya sa lain, ang nalahi lang, which is ang number dali sa kilid nga mo ang 2, which is nahimo na siyang 3. So ang pagbasa gyapon ani is x is greater than mean minus 3 standard deviation and less than mean plus standard deviation. So kani dire ang pagbasa ay x is greater than mean minus 2 standard deviation and less than mean plus 2 standard deviation. So balik ta sa 3. So let's just substitute. Ikuha na to siya. So 20, still the mean is 20 minus, since nalahi naman siya, so 3 na itong butang. And mora gyapon ang same process ra gyapon siya sa last or the second standard deviation nga isud gyapon nato close and open parenthesis ang atoang standard deviation, which is ang 2. So mo ni atong nabutang, and it is equals to 3 times 2, which is 6 minus 20 equals to 14. So atong ibutang ang 14 kay this is the lower boundary and the upper boundary. So we have this, and last is ato ra gyapon siyang i-simplify or dili simplify, ato ra na siyang i-substitute kay same process naman siya, but ang naglahi lang niya iyahang mga number sa kilid siyang standard deviation. So it's just easy to remember. Just remember this formula exactly, this exact formula, and nagdepends ra siya kung unsay imong kwaon nga standard deviation. It's either 2 or 3 or first standard deviation. Mao ra gyapon ni nga formula. Ang nagbag-o ra ang iyang number sa kilid sa standard deviation. So as you can see, 20 plus 3 open and close parenthesis 2, and it is equals to 3 times 2, which is 6. 6 plus 20, which is 26. So nakuha na nato ang ato ang tulo ka standard deviation, whether it is on the lower or the upper boundary. So this is how you complete an entire bell-shaped curve of the normal distribution. Thank you.